Introducing CSS, the language of web style.
CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, is a language used to describe the appearance of web pages. While HTML provides the structure and content, CSS defines the colors, layouts, fonts, and other visual aspects. By separating style from structure, CSS gives web designers powerful control over how web pages look and feel.
How CSS works with HTML.
The previous user lays out the foundation of a web page. Think of it as the skeleton, adding color, spacing, and design. CSS can be written in a separate file or inside HTML documents. The browser reads both together to display a styled, visually appealing web page to visitors.
Key features of CSS.
CSS lets you customize nearly every visual aspect of a web page. You can change text color, set background images, adjust margins, create columns, and even design animations. With CSS, designers ensure a consistent look across multiple pages and make their websites responsive for different screen sizes.
Why CSS matters in modern web design.
Without CSS, websites would look plain and uninviting. CSS enables creative designs, improves user experience, and helps websites adapt to various devices. It's essential for branding and accessibility. Learning CSS is a key step for anyone interested in web development and design.
Getting started with CSS.
To begin using CSS, you only need a basic text editor and a web browser. Start by linking a CSS file to your HTML. Then try changing simple properties like background color or font size. There are many resources and tutorials online to help you progress from beginner to confident web designer.